in today's video I'm going to be showing you summer day makeup, hair and outfit idea, and you can use it and you can get inspiration from it. Please send me your pictures if you did it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, also subscribe. So let's go! So I apply eyebrow shadows to my eyebrows. I take a bronzer and apply that to my cheekbone. Then I take a contour palette and apply that to my skin. I take a dark eyeshadows and apply that to my crease. I apply sparkle eyeshadows to my eyelids. I apply brown eye pencil. I apply mascara to my eyelashes. I apply lip balm to my lips. So for my hair, I brush my hair. I wear light pink or white headband. For my outfit, I wear pink dress and this ring. Much for watching. Thumbs up for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see ya in the next video. Bye!